how it manifests itself in Palestine.
Sorry, I'm going to get you to tell me a little bit more. What is, for example, when you're talking about some of the forms of activism, boycotts, divestment, sanctions, what is the Palestinian authorities or the PLO's view towards it? Is it helpful? Is it not helpful? Do they have a view, a coherent view towards this? And if they did, would that help or not?
Thank you for returning to it, because I missed that point. You're right. The position is that we're still going for the two-state solution. It's the practical solution that can actually be implemented, because Israel is not interested in a one-state solution. And they see boycotts as an effective tool towards that. The problem with the PA is that it lacks legitimacy with the BDS demographic. That's the main challenge, is that they agree with BDS. Of course, actually, technically speaking, according to Oslo, they're not, the PA is not supposed to engage in boycotts, but that's a technicality of Oslo, which is not implemented. But the strategy from the perspective of the PA, again, the PA in Ramallah we're talking about, right, is that they are for boycotts, but the aim is to achieve a two-state solution. Now, while at the same time, they're unable to get traction with the Palestinian diaspora, because in the eyes of the Palestinian diaspora, that PA has lost its legitimacy. The change now with the Trump administration is that now that the US has explicitly and not implicitly clearly stated that it is 100% within the Israeli position, the PA is looking into how to move into the one-state solution, or the threat of the one-state solution, from the basis that the coherent argument for them is that we opted for the two-state solution as a historic compromise. We believe we have a right to the 100% of Palestine. We are willing to compromise and accept 22% of historic Palestine for the sake of peace. If that's no longer on the table, then